I'm here before the Oscars with the icon of fashion, Tommy Hilfiger. I'm gonna ask him a question, 3 tips for branding. First branding tip.
Unique idea.
Unique idea. You think people don't do that enough?
I think the idea has to be extremely different.
All right, number 2.
You need a great logo.
Great logo.
Oops.
3.
Give the customer what they want before they know what they want.
Like the little Steve Jobs-ish kind of like.
That's what it is. Giving the customer.
All right, I'm here with the man, the myth, the legend, Tommy Hilfiger, having a little lunch before the Oscars, and you were giving me these 3 brands, 3 ideas for branding. For entrepreneurs watching, if you could go back and be 18 again, and you had to have one concept pounded into your head that you think would make you even more successful than you've already been, what do you wish somebody had told you at 18?
To really pay attention to the business part of the business in addition to the creative part, because in the very beginning when I just focused on the creative, my business acumen wasn't there. You need both to succeed.
It's amazing. Favorite book?
Favorite book? Oh, I like the Steve Jobs book I just read.
Oh really, the new one?
Yeah.
Best mentor you ever had?
Best mentor, Leonard Lauder of the Estee Lauder Company.
Was that
genius?
Was he instrumental in really helping you?
He was.
Yeah, awesome.